Do you want people to reach out to you on TikTok but can't find the message option? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to turn on direct messages on TikTok so your friends, followers, or even potential collaborators can connect with you instantly. Let's start by opening the TikTok app on our phone and then hop over to the profile page of our TikTok account. Once we're here, we'll have to access the settings page by tapping on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, then Settings and Privacy. After that, we'll open the privacy settings. And here is the Direct Messages option under the Interaction section. Let's hop over to the Permission settings and then make sure to set both of these to Requests. Potential connections means people TikTok thinks you might know, like friends of friends, can send you a message request. Others on TikTok lets anyone else on the app send you a request too. Turning these on makes it easier to connect with new people and even get collaboration opportunities, while keeping control over who lands in your inbox. So that's how we can enable direct messages on TikTok.